Back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
This is my kitchen, and behind the camera is my son Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And today, guys, I bring you here because I want to show you guys how to make roasted potatoes. I'm talking about roasted potatoes the way I make them.
That's right.
Okay, these are from these red potatoes that I just cut. Michael, look. You can see them right here. And yeah, this is my ugly spoon that I have here. I know it's old, but I'm going to tell you what, I love it. It does everything. But the potatoes are brown like that because I cut them, and that's the air that gets them like that because they're outside. I mean, the skin is not on it anymore. As you can see, I wash my hands, they're nice and clean. And we're gonna start seasoning here. So like this, very like slightly, see? A little bit of salt, garlic powder,
Oh, yeah.
a little bit of chicken fajita seasoning I still have here, and the reason I'm using this because I'm making them Spanish style.
Oh, yeah.
And also I want to use the coloring. My coloring that I have, I ran out of my sazon Goya with culantro y achiote, that it has the achiote, the coloring process, but I ran out, so I'm using this. And these I have made them before, they're delicious. Okay, so this is what we're using, guys. It's salt, garlic powder. If anybody's asking why I didn't put pepper on this, it's because I cannot do pepper, you know what I'm saying? It's not good in my system. So here's some paprika, again, just for coloring, and this is smoked paprika.
I love it.
So it's gonna give it like a, exactly.
It's my favorite part of the potatoes.
And I think I'm gonna put a little bit more thing, Mike, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. I'm gonna put a little bit of my sazon because before I put them in the oven, you set your oven on 400. Sorry
That's right.
about that. And these are uncooked potatoes, as you can see right here, red potatoes. And then the last thing that you're gonna do, guys, is take some olive oil. I like putting my fingers in between the top of it, you know, because this is what I like doing. This is how my mama showed me how to go, you see? And go like this. I don't need no butter, no nothing. But you gotta put enough oil because they're going in the oven and they need to cook. And if you don't put oil, they're gonna burn.
That's right.
So that's enough oil, I think. And then I'm gonna take with my hands. I know I'm gonna have to scrub them afterwards because they're gonna get like really red. And that's, you know what I'm saying? For some reason, that's how it is. So here I go, guys. Look, with my hands in there,
Mix them
you gotta mix them up and make sure, you know, cover all the thing on that tray, and that they're nice and flavorful.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Absorb all the seasonings.
Exactly. So now what I'm gonna do, as they are like that,
Oh, yeah.
I wanna see if they're good in salt. Let me see. Just a little tasty taste. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more salt so they can taste a little bit, you see? But that's what you do at the beginning. You put a little bit, and then you put a little bit more.
Taste, put more.
Yeah, there you go, exactly. Because you want all that to go like right through in there, I'm telling you. This is gonna be great. And then you set your oven on 400, and wash your hands, because I messed up the salt thing over there. Wash your hands, dry them up. Take your tray, because we're using our hands to like season all this. So with your rag, you want to go around the edges of your tray, make sure there's no oil around it. You don't want that oil in the oven starting a fire or something burning, something like that. So here you go with your tray. Okay, we're not covering these. We're gonna put it right in the middle, right? And we're gonna sit them there for 30 minutes because they're not cooked. They're on 350. I think I'm gonna put them, yeah, it's 400. And here we go, and let's put the time. And we're gonna put them for half hour. Maybe they'll be done before, I think, but half hour is pretty good. And it will cook them really pretty and roasted. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Look us up on Pinterest. And if you wanna donate, go on patreon.com. And then we are here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. I miss you all. And hopefully I'll continue to do more videos, at least 3 to 4 videos a week. I promise you guys that. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. But we'll be right back because we gotta like wait for these potatoes to cook. Thanks for watching. I put them down on 375, and what I was doing just now is just turning them so the other, you know, they can finish cooking.
That's right.
And I put them on 375, so I'm gonna close and finish.
Smells so good.
Exactly, and we'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Don't go away. Hey guys, you guys want a little thing? Let's give you a little tiny piece for each one because I know you guys love it. Say hi to our people, to everybody there, our followers. Yeah, good. So we're back, and it's been, I'm not gonna say 30 minutes, but 40 minutes, okay? because it took a little bit, so we added up like 10 more minutes. It's under 20 some seconds. So I'm just gonna get ahead and open this. Wow, they're so pretty, Michael. And I'm gonna tell you something about roasted potatoes. Roasted potatoes, you can serve it with eggs. You can serve it with fried chicken. You can serve it with steak. You can serve it with a pork chop. I mean, anything you want. And you see the olive oil that I put is still there. So what I'm gonna do, because I wanted to show you guys, is I'm gonna take one. And it's so cheap because right now the potatoes, they give them away in the supermarket. Like you get me in a bag. In my supermarket, they have them on sale this week. 2 bags of 4 per customer, about 99 cents. So I'm gonna put some like that for now. Oh my God, look. That's how nice they are. Look at that, Michael. Don't they look great?
Oh yeah.
And you can smell all the seasoning on it. Hold on a second. It is amazing. So what I want to do, guys, I want to taste one for you guys so you guys can see that I do eat potatoes. I'm not going to eat a lot of it, but just like one baby potato here, this one here, Michael. Perfect. Look at that. And, hot. Huh? Smoke coming out of my mouth. See that? What's up, Daddy? Wow, Michael. These are good. These came out good than the last ones that we made last week, remember?
Oh yeah.
These are very delicious, and you can see the skin in the back, how they roast it nice and crunchy. See that? Look at it, huh? So with that, guys, let me eat this, and then we're gonna say goodbye. Wait a second. So enjoy this little piece, okay, guys? Hold on. Come on. My husband this morning told me, babe, don't cook. I don't want you to cook. And I'm like, because I've been running around and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And doing a lot of, running around, what do you call that, Michael?
Town.
Like running around town, going to the bank, food shopping, stuff like that, guys. And I'm like, no, because we've been eating like McDonald's and like different stuff, like fast food and stuff. And I'm like, I want my food. I want rice, and I want chicken, and I want potatoes, and I want real food. And hey, there's nothing better than eating home food in your house. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys, just follow the recipe, and you can make it to the T just like me. And like I said in the beginning, I said half hour, not half hour, but 45 minutes. 45 minutes, and you can get this delicious potato. You can serve it, like I'm telling you, with rice. You can put it with spaghettis, like I said, with a pork chop, with some cut up hot dogs. Just look at the other side. I was waiting for them to get cold, but you can see how nice and pretty and roasted they're all in the other side, right, Michael? Look at that, very pretty. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy. Don't drink and drive. Let's love each other, and let's all try to get along. Thanks for watching.